So today I'm going to just do a really simple fried fish fillet. I've got some lovely sea bass here. Really lucky to get this at the moment. All we're going to do is we're going to just lightly season it with salt and pepper, a little bit of flour, and then fry it off. Delicious. I like to keep the fish nice and simple. And I'm serving that with a really quick spaghetti with olives, onions, garlic, and tomato. Just takes a few minutes right at the end. Delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got two lovely, fantastic, super duper fish fillets here. This is a sea bass. It was like a 2 kg in total with the head and everything. Sea bass. I'm going to cook one of these today for you, and I'll do the other one in a different video. But yeah, really beautiful. Now, if you want, you could use something like cod or another sort of fillet, but yeah, I'm using sea bass here. Let's get on with it. So I've taken one of those fillets and I've cut it in half, and they're still really substantial, both of them. What we're going to do is we're just going to flour it, just a little bit of plain flour.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya?
Salt. And some black pepper. Just going to pat that down, rub it on. Flip them over and do the other sides. And then we're ready to go to the cooker. I want to keep this nice and simple, you know. Salt, pepper, bit of flour. It's kind of all we need really for this. So like I say, keeping it nice and simple. I've got some olive oil in there. We're on a medium heat. We're going to take our fillets, we're going to drop them in. And I'm going to cook these size, you know, because of the thickness of them. I'm going to cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. That's it. Just nice and easy. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, perfectly done. Like really happy with those. Put them on a plate. Now keep the heat on. In fact, turn the heat up now. I'm going to make a little quick spaghetti. So I've got a little bit of onion. And it's nice that we're cooking this in this oil. It's got nice fish flavors in there. I've got a tablespoon of garlic. I've got some black olives that I've just taken the stones out of. There's like, I don't know, 4 or 5. Just cut the stone out. 1 tomato. We're on a nice high heat now. Teaspoon or so of oregano. Little bit of salt. Some black pepper. High heat now. Cook this for just 4 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. Then we're going to add a little bit of spaghetti. Just 3 or 4 minutes there, just to soften those onions, the garlic and the tomatoes. Grab a bit of spaghetti, you don't need too much really. Just another 2 minutes max, stirring all the time. This is ready to serve. And there you go, look at that, beautiful. Now with that spaghetti, how could you improve that? Maybe a couple of anchovies in there might be nice. Or run some fresh cut flat leaf parsley, perhaps. I'm really happy just like that. Really simple, beautiful fish with a lovely little spaghetti. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, please. Keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.
Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.
Lots of love.